To begin creating questions for a quiz, I'll go to the home page, I'll go to the upper right hand corner and I'll tap the gear icon and I'll get these drop downs. You'll notice that all of these that have a slight arrow to the left imply that there are subcategories underneath that. However, I'll just hit question bank itself and I'll see that there's questions, categories, import, and export as my options. After arriving at the question bank interface, I can see these 4 tabs reflect the drop downs that I saw earlier on this side, so there's a shortcut to getting there. However, I want to put in some questions for a new test or new quiz where I haven't already done that before. I'm going to create a category so they'll all be listed under the title of that test. So I choose Categories tab, and then I see that it's already going to have a parent category, which is the top for my course, and then I'm going to put in the name of the quiz that I'm generating. And from there, I can add that category, and you'll see it populates there as well. And I can come out of here and go back to questions now, and I am going to put it in that category. And now as I move forward, they'll all be underneath that heading, so I can find them later very easily.